Oh, boys and girls, we're back again with another video. But today is one of those days where I'm kind of heated, man. I'm kind of upset. I was out today, getting some work done, looking bigger, which is a good thing. That's a positive of the day. Not weighing much more, but I missed when the UPS man came with my new phone, and he just left a note at my door instead of leaving it in my mailbox. I'm honestly shook. I can't believe this. I cut my finger while emptying the trash yesterday. I don't know if you can see this. Probably not, because this is not the good new phone. But I cut my finger trying to throw away good old Hexy boy's food. His food comes in these aluminum cans, and yeah, I cut myself on one of the cans. We're gonna go to the gym real quick, just get a quick arm pump in. That'll be the video for today, but hopefully we'll get a good pump in. I'll get into this more about how I'm feeling, because I'm gonna do a laundry video. But man, you're gonna have days like this, and you just gotta keep going. Even when the day is a little bit not how you expected it to be, drop all your expectations and just keep pushing forward. We'll get into it more when we do laundry, so I'll see you at the gym. Love you guys. Somehow we made it. Got a good 30 minutes to get a good pump in. Let's see what we can get done here. Just gonna get out a lightweight to start. 10 pounds, nothing crazy, nothing too taxing. And from here we'll switch them over, turn it over like this. Same thing, reverse curls. 10. Just get those arms warm, blood flowing. Nice, then we'll do some openers with the wrist. I ate a lot of cookie butter before this, so pump might get freaky. Next step we'll take is some 15s. Just go sit at an 90-degree angle and we'll alternate. Really isolating, feeling it. Then we'll go into the reverses. Stay at that 90-degree sit. Just go straight up. Other arm. Alright, love is pumping. This one we're gonna activate the triceps by doing an overhead extension. I was doing a lot of dips on my counter earlier, so a little bit weaker in this position right now, but it's okay, right? As long as we're here, trying to get better, that's what matters. I'm gonna go right into those curls again. I'm gonna do it at the same time this time. Straight back, legs in, curl those jocks up. I'm gonna go straight into the tricep extension. Opposite hand, opposite knee on the bench. Take the weight, lift him up, and then just pull it back as best you can. Same thing on the other side. Opposite hand, opposite knee on the bench. Lift the weight up. Same thing. Nice work. The pump is pumping now. Right back into it. Same thing. Get those extended tries going. Switch sides. Pump's definitely engaged now. Next one we'll do is the alternating hammers. You just want to go till failure. Gonna do another round of these overhand tricep extensions, but standing. Okay, next side, same thing. Next on the list, you guessed it, more curls. Oh man. I'm gonna try some cross bodies before I burn out on this one. Let's see. I'm going so fast, but hey, someone's gotta do it. There's some isolated curls here. Burn them out. I'm getting pumped quick. My right arm is so much weaker. Arms are feeling pretty pumpy from the bells. I'm gonna go upstairs, see if I can't get some cables. And then if not, I'll just do some dips, but we'll see if we can get up there. We have been blessed for some tricep work. We're gonna do the classic rope here today. Take the peel off. Chest and shoulders back, head straight, and then just rep that thing out. I put my hat on backwards. And remember, choose love. We're gonna superset this guy. Some overhead extensions. Other side. Feeling more full. I'm gonna go to the single arm, I mean. Just really isolate here. And then right back up into the extensions, no rest. Another extension. Man, that right side is weak. Last one, basic bicep curls. Just gonna burn out. I'm gonna do the flat bar because this one's kind of pissing me off. Up the weight. Come on, 10, need 10. All right, let's go check the pump. We worked it today, guys. Did our best, got what we could in. That's all that matters. Let me pull this off real quick. Definitely feeling wide. What are we wearing? Another highest weight of the series, let's go. All right, it's been real. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like down below. Comment what you want to see next from me, and I'll be back tomorrow. We do this daily, documenting the fitness and climbing journey. Appreciate you guys. Up 10 pounds. Hell yeah. Love you. See you in the next one.
This all fading to black. We're all under attack from above. And since we're all in this together, let's stay here forever and make the best of what we got. Yeah, I'm talking to you. This is the part where I tell you I'm fine, but honestly this time you got me questioning if I've been feeling alive, or if I'm even right to believe in the dream where I can find some peace before I go. Mama laid me to rest, God bless her soul.